What's going on, everybody? We back on the bed in honor of my old channel, Easy Reviews, which I did all my reviews on this here spot. It's kind of dead, but I may resurrect it someday. But I got to get the main channel out of the mud first, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these AirPod Pro Generation 2.
It's my way of changing my fate. I just pray cause I know it's already written. Destiny's already given. Not controlling life, just living. This the vision I'm fulfilling. On a mission till I'm winning. Gotta...
So, anyway, sorry, I was kind of silent there for a second, but we are looking at this thingy right here. Some differences right off the bat. We got some little speakers under there. Don't really know what that's all about. Ooh, what? Not really sure the point of that either, but it does certainly look cool. And dang, there we have them, the crispy Snappa-Lappa. Oh, I heard a noise. Oh, they're trying to pair up. Maybe we should do that real quick. It came with a cord, but what the heck is this? What the? How am I supposed to use this? Wait, which one fits in the hole? Hold up. Yeah, so the regular one fits in the hole. I'm not sure what that one's all about, but let's check out these instructions. I need to figure out some stuff about this thing. Basically, they got that wireless charging, multiple tips. Oh, yeah, multiple tips. And, yeah, these are just in other... Oh, wait, no, we got some controls over here. It looks like one tap, fast forward, double tap. Nope, one tap, pause, double tap, fast forward. Triple tap, rewind. Where'd they go? Oh, yeah, they're over there. Swipe up or down to adjust volume. All right. Press and hold to switch between active noise cancellation mode. As you can see here, boys and girls, we got a lot of tips to boot right now. Looks like we got the medium on right now. I'd say my ear will probably be a medium or a small, so let's find out. Well, guys, decided to go with the mediums. I've been testing them out, bro. Let me just tell you, they definitely worth it. Good noise cancellation, just good quality. Connect instantly to your phone. Like this thing always tweaking when I try to connect it. It's annoying like that. But definitely worth it. Hope you all enjoy this quick little unboxing. But I'm broke now after buying these, so make sure to like and subscribe so I can get that money back.